Hello and welcome to PH Maths. Today's explainer is the discriminant, the part under the square root in the quadratic formula. It tells you how many solutions a quadratic has before you do any solving. By the end of this video, you'll know the three cases and how to apply them in seconds. Definition. The discriminant, written with the Greek letter delta, equals b squared minus 4ac. It's the expression that sits under the square root in the quadratic formula. The sign of the discriminant tells you how many real solutions the equation has, without you needing to actually solve it. Three cases. If the delta is positive, you have two real solutions. The parabola crosses the x-axis at 2 points. If delta equals 0, you have one repeated solution. The parabola just touches the x-axis. If delta is negative, no real solutions exist. The parabola never reaches the x-axis. Memorize these three outcomes. Common mistake, sign of b. b equals minus 3 still gives b squared equals plus 9. Squaring always produces a positive. So when b is negative, b squared is positive. That's not a sign error. That's just how squaring works. Get b squared right and the rest follows. Quick example, x squared minus 4, x plus 3 equals 0. So a equals 1, b equals minus 4, c equals 3. The discriminant equals 16 minus 12 equals 4. 4 is positive, so two real solutions exist. Confirmed without solving. 2 marks in 20 seconds.